का और सनातन का अपमान, यही तो कांग्रेस की पहचान। अरे भाई, आपने भगवा आतंक से लेकर आज भगवा आतंकी, क्योंकि कोई भगवा पहनता है। द सेम कांग्रेस सुशील कुमार शिंदे रिफ्यूज टू कॉल कन्विक्टेड टेररिस्ट अफजल गुरु अ टेररिस्ट। दे से मठाधीश इज माफिया, सनातन समाप्त, सनातन बीमारी, राम मंदिर प्राण प्रतिष्ठा इज नाच गाना, राम मंदिर इज बेकार, रामचरितमानस इज पोटेशियम साइनाइड। एक बार मुझे बता दो, यहां पर बाकी भी लोग बैठे हैं, मौलवी और मदरसे को माफिया बोला है? और वहां पर तो हथियार के जकीरे भी मिले हैं। वी हैव सीन मेनी इंस्टेंसेस ऑफ मदरसास प्रमोटिंग टेररिज्म आल्सो, बट नोबडी विल से मदरसा इज इक्वल टू माफिया, मौलवी इज इक्वल टू माफिया। नोबडी विल से टोपी दाढ़ी पहनने वाले डोंट कम इनटू पॉलिटिक्स। इनफैक्ट मौलाना आजाद, whose birthday celebrated as National Education Day, was the Maulana and he was brought into politics. Kishanganj, their MP, was for a long time a Maulana. Maulana can come into politics, पर भगवा या गेरुआ पहनने वाले पॉलिटिक्स में ना आए। This shows the anti-Hindu mindset of Congress Party. Secondly, for Congress Party, 10% Muslim reservation is not communal or anti-Samvidhan. Supriya Sule said we want to give Muslim reservation. She has come on record and said it. 180 organizations saying that we will give the vote to MVA on the basis of Iman is not communal, but बटेंगे तो कटेंगे और एक रहेंगे तो सेफ रहेंगे is communal. So I want to expose Tehseen Poonawalla. This is the advertisement given by Congress parties Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi. And you know what the advertisement says?
That's 1984.
1984 से थोड़ा पहले. Just listen to the advertisement. First they say these parties who come on caste lines, they don't see human beings as they see people as Brahmins, they see people as Thakur, Baniya, Harijan, Yadav, Sharma, Chaturvedi and Singhs. They don't see Indians as Indians. They cast out a group of Indians as if they were cacti. For them jati was cacti. And lastly they say that vote on merit, vote on equality, don't vote on caste and bondage. This stand was the stand that Congress party used to take, because at that time they used to say 1961 that आरक्षण समाप्त हो जाए. They used to say 1980 to 90 मंडल नहीं होना चाहिए. In AMU they ended the reservation of SC ST and gave it only to the Muslims. Today I have two questions. If you are for Samvidhan, Vivek ji, please tell me what is your stand on 370. If you are for Arakshan, Vivek ji, please tell me what is your stand on AMU.
Which Vivek ji are you referring to? Vivek Silas or Srivastava?
One is Vivek Islamist and one is Vivek Samajwadi. Now whatever Vivek wants to take it, or there might be a competition between the two.
Okay.
And
Vivek.
thirdly, last Vivek को एक सवाल है, Vivek से जवाब देना कि मौलवी को कभी माफिया या आतंकी बोलेंगे क्या? Oh,
Vivek Srivastava.
Vivek Pro and Vivek Pro Max, both are there.
Okay, देखिए अब
अच्छा, प्रो मैक्स जवाब
नहीं, अब आप इस्लामिस्ट बोलिए, आप कुछ भी बोलिए, अब आप सुनिए. पहले तो you have distorted the entire version of what Mrs. Gandhi said, what the communists say. भाई जातिवाद के हम सभी खिलाफ हैं, लेकिन जातिवाद तब खत्म होगा जब आरक्षण ला करके सबको, when you give the same equal platform financially and socially to everyone. That is why reservation is necessary. You are confusing the two things and you are trying to mislead the people, number one. Number two, I am totally against the Bhagwa interfering in the politics of the country.
Oh,
we
yes?
had people wearing Bhagwa even in the Congress in the past, but they were not divisive in nature. आज के भगवाधारी divisive हैं. हिंदू वर्सेस मुस्लिम करते हैं, मार काट की बात करते हैं, काट दिए जाएंगे ऐसा कहते हैं और डर फैलाते हैं that it seems as if this country is going to go for some civil war and they are trying to warn the Hindus. भाई इकट्ठे हो जाओ, नहीं इकट्ठे हुए होगे तो मारे जाएंगे. This is my objection, that you are not moving and despite the fact that you are the honorable chief minister of Uttar Pradesh and the prime minister of the country, you do not take responsibility of enforcing the constitution if something is going wrong. On the contrary, you are making speeches which are going to polarize people more. Should I call you good politicians or should I criticize you?
मठाधीश माफिया होते हैं. Is this divisive or not? Can you please respond? मठाधीश माफिया होते हैं divisive?
बिल्कुल होते हैं.
अच्छा, बिल्कुल होते हैं. So what you say is not divisive, but बटेंगे तो कटेंगे is divisive. एक है तो safe है is divisive. मठाधीश माफिया होते हैं ये divisive नहीं है. गेरुआ पहनने वाले आतंकी होते हैं ये divisive नहीं है. I don't know what is the yardstick being applied here. आनंद